So you want to get monetized on YouTube? Stick around, I'm going to give you some pointers. Hi, I'm Walter Weyburn. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. Leave your questions. I will do my best to answer every one of them. If I don't answer your questions in the comment, I will grab them and answer them in the next video. Y'all, a lot of people wants to do a YouTube channel, but they don't know what to do a YouTube channel about. Do whatever you're passionate about. But before you do, look up on YouTube. Like, say for instance, I want to just pull something out of the air. You like to go fly fishing. I don't even know why I said fly fishing. I live in Pensacola, Florida. I don't think they do much fly fishing here. But I don't do fishing at all. I just don't want my hands smelling like fish. I'm sorry. But look up fly fishing and see how popular those videos are. If they're popular, if fly fishing videos has got a lot of views and there's a lot of videos, that's a popular niche. You will probably do good in it. But always check out what you want to make your video about. And make sure that you know enough about the subject to make a lot of videos. As you know, it takes 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. So it's going to take a few videos. But a lot of channels takes a long time to get monetized. Some of them, like my stemless channel, it took like 20 days to get monetized. It blew up out of the water. So just know that some channels blow up fast, some don't blow up very so fast, and some never gets monetized. But you can monetize them yourself. All you need to do, there's several ways you can do it. You can build a website. Put your products on your website. Link your website to the description box below the video. Tell people about it. Tell them to check it out. It might be something they want. Don't run it down their throat. Just tell them about it at the beginning of your videos and at the end of the videos. And let it go at that. If they're interested, they'll go look at it. If they don't look at it, that means they're not interested. They wouldn't buy from you anyway, so why should they go look at it? Okay, that is one way to do it. Another way to do it, if you don't have a product, build an ebook. That's the easiest way to make money online, is an ebook. I'm going to do a course. Well, I'm working on the course now. It should be available for sale around the 1st of October. You know, a lot of people sell their courses for $1,000 or more. Y'all don't waste your money on that. Mine is going to be very cheap. I'm thinking about $35. I'm not set on that yet, but that's what I'm thinking about. And with all the freebies that I'm giving along with the course, it's a no-brainer. My course will teach you how to make an ebook to sell. Step by step. It's going to have 6 modules in this course. It's going to be a short course. I will take you step by step. By the time you get to the end of the course, you will have an ebook. You will have an ebook that is published and making you money. Now, can I tell you how successful it will be, how much money it will make you? That's only up to you, how much you want to tell people about it, and how many videos you want to make to tell people about it. Also, you want to put that book on your website, tell everybody about it on your videos. Another way you can do it is build a website. Go somewhere like Amazon or eBay or anywhere like that. Find a product that you like. You're going to have to buy that product one one of them. So you will have it to demonstrate. Put that product on your website. Demonstrate that product on your videos. When you get an order for that product, you go to that person on eBay or Amazon, wherever it was you found it, and you buy the product. You tell them to ship it to your customer. That is called drop shipping. You don't have to invest anything in order to do that way. Well, you do have to invest for the one that you buy. But always do one that you like the product and you would buy it anyway. That way you're not really investing. You're buying something for yourself, but you can turn around and sell it over and over again. This is a great way to monetize your channel before you get the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. It works. Believe me, it works. I've had several YouTube channels. The stemless one is the only one that I've ever reached enough viewers and subscribers to get monetized. But I've made money on my YouTube channels for the past almost 12 years. So y'all, this does work. How much money you make is up to you, how much you want to put into it. But again, I told you on the last video, of all the businesses that I've had online, I've never had to invest a single penny on building those businesses and getting them going. Y'all, a lot of people like to use the excuse that they don't have the money to do it. It don't take money. A lot of people says they don't have a computer. All they got is an iPhone. You can do it on an iPhone. Any excuse that you can come up with, I can debunk that excuse. There's ways to do it if you really want to do it. Y'all, that course that I'm building, it will be ready around the 1st of October. Like I said, I've got a lot of freebies in it. I'm crazy for putting as many freebies as I am in it, but I'm going to do it. And the course is very easy to follow. It's going to be, well, when you're through, you will have your ebook ready to make you money. Y'all, please check out my books. I've got several books on how to make money online. I got 2 new books. I got another book that's just about finished. Probably about another week I will have it on my website. And it's all about making money also. Y'all, everybody right now is concerned about stimulus checks. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to be honest with you, transparent with you. I don't need a stimulus check. If I get a stimulus check, I'm going to probably end up giving it away. Haven't figured out how I'm going to do it yet. But my online businesses takes care of me. Y'all, please start your online business. Whether you buy my books or my course to get it done, just do it. I mean, that's the best stimulus check you can get. The money that you can make online is mind-blowing. It's life-changing money. Trust me, it's life-changing money. I know you hear all of these great stories about people, how much money they make. I'm not going to tell you how much money I make. That is wrong to do that. Because a lot of these people that they say they make $50,000, $60,000, $75,000 a month. Well, if they tell somebody that's just starting, that's going to be overwhelming to them, and they're going to feel like they can't do it, so they won't even try. That's holding people back, and it's braggadocious, and I'm not braggadocious. But I will tell you, I'm making very good money, and you can too. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to this channel. And like I said, whether you get my books or not, please subscribe to this channel. Whether you get my course or not, please subscribe to this channel, because you will learn a lot just from the videos that I have planned to make. I will make a video every day, and just know I love you all. Until tomorrow, ciao.